Recording. The Nihilist Game Reviewer. Video games right now. Princess, just the final boss. Fire every bottle, all the bomb bags, 100 arrows. Every heart piece, all 45 heart pieces. It's gonna take time. You just post on Miiverse with your Miiverse stamp, and I posted it. Yeah, I got the extra key. I'm here at the top of the castle. Yada yada yada.
This one looks more like me.
Yeah. I already maxed out my rupees 2,000 yen. I'm gonna go through and open up every single rupee chest because I'm a completionist. Oh, well, I'm recording it and you're watching it. Oh, this rupee won't fit in your wallet. Let's put it back in the chest. So then, as a completionist, you feel like, oh, well, then I have to go back later because I want to have every chest open. Another Miiverse stand. Good. Oh, happy Zelda. She's happy. It's pointless. It's a pretty fun game. The HD remaster was done really nicely. I played the GameCube version once.
The internet's pretty funny.
That's how...
No, it's
that's
not.
how much of a loser I am. My life is pointless. I bought this game 3 times. Now we're in the castle. This looks really nice. 1080p. I don't really care. It looks nice. Spoiler alert. Spoilers kind of apply. So, welcome to my castle. It's a creepy asshole. Oh my gosh.
Shit.
That's what you get for buying a natty daddy. Here comes Midna. Ah, shit. Oh no, not Midna! Midna's my favorite. She actually has personality.
It's really funny.
That's why Midna's my favorite. She's not a fairy that's like, hey, listen.
Accident.
I mean, even Tattle, the fairy from Majora's Mask, like, had more. Okay. Than Abby or, like, Fee. Fee, like, gave you bullshit percentages that, like, everyone has that friend that's like, there's like 90% of people. Well, it's like, no, Fee, you don't know what you're talking about. Shooter. It's been a while since I played this game, so bear with me if I forget some things about the boss. It's just, I don't care. It is a lot easier to make out the death in the HD version. It's so messed up that I'm fighting Zelda right now. With Green Zelda. Green Zelda versus Zelda. Weird choice of names. Weird choice of names. Boom! Beat the boss. You see how easy that was? Let's celebrate. You mean it's not over? Shit. Oh no, not Midna! Midna's my favorite. I wish the sound selection
I think
had this music.
I think I'm good. Okay, I will.
No one cares that I'm playing the Twilight Princess boss. I always hold it left. It gives you the option left or right to go. I just always go left. I don't know why. When you're with the Gorons and you have to wrestle them in your underwear, like I just go. I panicked.
It's like the napkins they give you 2 measly little napkins.
I was looking at my other camera to make sure it was still recording.
Not even. I should do a burger review show.
Just like I suck at
more
living.
It makes a lot more sense right now.
I think I found the
life right here. I need this real.
Come on.
Bounty.
Come on.
Walmart break.
Yeah. That's right. Fat fuck.
Oh man.
You know,
I'll tell you, after fucking
looks
like that
what,
Twilight
what they
Princess,
hyped the beasts to actually look like from the
keeping me
sandlot.
from
A big Michael K. Williams.
Well, the
put it
first time
this
I
way.
felt, I know
If
for
he was
certain
the voice of
any
Darth
of the
Vader,
slightest
I
wake up
like
to
really
ounce of
really shitty
happiness
about
until I
myself.
had this double jack. This is
6 times. I don't know how anyone else is doing that burger.
this is good shit. This is really good shit. Oh my god. I forgot.
And there you have it.
From McDonald's,
Twilight
I
Princess
have
is the final boss.
some habanero ranch.
Oh shit, she's glowing.
You want to know the secret to happiness, kids? You want to know what it really
Right now.
means? Is when you can cheat life. And in cheating life, now I'm not talking about your stupid life hacks. I'm not talking about cheating on your taxes. I'm talking about
Always wanted to
not even cheating on your
beat the
girlfriend
final boss
slash
with
boyfriend.
Link wearing like the special rupee armor.
both. I don't
know
care.
what
I don't give a
it's
shit.
called. I don't give a shit.
I'm talking about
Well, the
when you go to
final cut, will it
McDonald's,
keep the
you
continuity
get
of
habanero
you keeping the
ranch.
final armor? I don't know.
They spent all that time discussing and
Will you quit
Ocarina
with
of Time.
every time you text, it
What's
goes
the
bloop,
best thing
bloop,
about
bloop,
cats?
bloop.
It's really funny though.
I'm happy right now. Let me have this. Let me have this.
Ah,
I'm
I
happy.
suck. I suck.
You up?
Habanero sauce on a double jack.
He won. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on now. I have.
That's what I'm
2,000
talking
rupees.
about.
It shouldn't-
That's cheating life.
Should be fine.
You go to McDonald's, you're like, hey, I want some habanero ranch. But you know what? You know what? They have no idea what you're about to do. They have no idea. You're about to take this and put it all over. It's like, you want to know how Jack in the Box can compete as being the #1 fast food restaurant and beat McDonald's and beat Wendy's? Because
No.
Jack in the Box is like really
I want to get a
expensive.
bunch
It's
of
like way
points on
better.
mine.
Wendy's has the best value.
Hang on, maybe I'll get
It's good. It fills you up. The chicken sandwiches are great. But
How could you miss Zelda?
if they all they have to
How could you fucking miss?
habanero ranch
Okay,
on their
I don't
double
want to run
jack?
out of rupees. This took longer than I thought.
I think maybe Jack in the Box could be a
Yeah, because there's still
Be a
of course,
god,
more.
if
after
it isn't
this.
already.
This final boss goes on for a long time. I really like this final boss. Twilight Princess is just a really fun game. My favorite.
wait, Jack in the Box, Jack in the Box, it's Jack in the Box, Jack in the Box, Jack Nathan in the Box.
Here we go.
I'm so happy.
So yeah,
Right now.
now I'm gonna turn this on. Try to beat him with my armor.
Maybe video games are everything.
It's like Meat Man, like hard, Angus.
This should be a lot easier than the Wii version because that was one that was
I mean,
really tough on the
I know what you want.
Wii.
This is. I can't talk. I just have to eat.
Why? Shit.
I feel like you meant that. I know you meant these. Oh, you're funny.
There we go. Tap 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 tap.
Like, see how he's
Ow.
I'm getting it all over myself.
What I wanted.
Let's celebrate.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah, that's taking
I don't
that.
even care. Nothing matters in life.
Yeah.
There's no
Take
God.
that.
There's double jacks.
I hit A.
I almost ordered some lemonade,
Shit,
but I've got
I
like a
hit B
big thing
that
of
time.
lemonade.
I get too low, I have to switch back.
There you go. But that video, not bad.
I almost got a medium fry. I had a coupon, but they expired.
Double jack.
He's just
habanero
mad at
ranch.
They expired yesterday.
I thought it
It's
would
on
finish
March
less
31st.
There's a lot of napkins, so I'm just gonna scoop it up.
He only has to be 11.
They expired.
Real quick.
tap that button?
I don't have to prove it to you.
I am having
You see, I click on it.
Hey, so
I know if you made it
Oh,
before,
it's
probably
like
like really.
Yeah, just a burger, just a greasy little
yes, almost.
What happened
Marcus,
to
I
greasier
ran
than
out of
baby?
rupees. I can't. No, I want to see the final cutscene. I want to see if the
2016
cutscene
right now.
changes to 1000.
You can just scroll through the end.
No, because I have to redo every
just
single
wanted-
fucking mission. I'd rather just.
I just wanted you to know that maybe there's something more to
Kind
learn
of hungry. It's like
in video games, because right now life itself,
exactly what it feels
it
like
fucking sucks.
It comes after being.
Life, it fucking sucks.
I don't even know if it'll let me.
Excuse my language, but
I
there's
guess I'm gonna have to
no better way to
switch.
put it. Really.
I hate this.
All I have, it's all
not
gone.
I can't do anything.
I ate it
It doesn't
all.
even matter.
That's all that matters.
I tried.
This is all that matters. And turn off your sound.
But I just installed Pocket Mortys.
Okay. Well,
No,
you got me.
yeah,
Turn
fair.
off your sound.
I turned it off.
Turn off your sound.
Quick.
I'm doing a video.
Quick.
It's not the
It's
same.
fair.
I'm reviewing the
Well, it doesn't
Twilight
matter if he
Princess
kills me because I have to.
boss
I'm
battle.
gonna take the fairies potion. It'll increase my strength for a little bit. It's fairies potion.
I'm just gonna cut
I turn like yellow and shit. Okay, right before I strike him, I did it. I pressed A. See, this is. But it's like when he strikes.
I bought this game
'cause I don't
3
know, I felt like I
times.
was holding it before.
3.
It was fine.
My
But
camera is
now
sitting
it's like-
on Twilight Princess
It's
HD.
like,
It's
oh,
what I'm
you're
playing
about
right
to,
now.
you're about to kill him. You're about to kill him, so we're gonna fuck with you. Shit. Okay, this guy's gotta die. It's getting real. I really wish I was eating that burger right now instead of playing this. That double jack though. That double jack though. Let's do this. I did it with my heavy armor on. I did it. There's no rupees, it's super heavy, and even when he jumped, it was like weighted. I fucked up. Okay?
Nothing
And
has
when I
any
hit
meaning.
finish,
Yeah, I'm addicted
he,
to video
like,
games, so there's
dragged
gotta be some
himself
meaning
over him.
there, so I have to figure out like what it is
All my rupees are
about video games that,
I don't know, but so far this one it did. When it did the cutscene, when it's nice time I changed the suit.
You know.
I'm just trying to see if it does it for the remainder of the game.
Creepy ass motherfucker. I'm pretty sure it went back to just the green suit. That really sucks. Although maybe if I had any rupees remaining, no, I doubt it. I wouldn't bet that. Oh my god, he is. He's still wearing it. That's the armor I finished with, and he's wearing. Wanted to figure this out. This is awesome. Yes. Fucking A. With 0 rupees, mind you. So the entire time throughout this cutscene, you have to assume, with all that extra weight, it'd be hilarious if you actually see him move a little bit more in the final cutscenes, if it's like really fluid. Which doesn't make any sense.
video games.
No way. He's with all that heavy armor on. Oh, that's hilarious. He fucking ran in that heavy. You can hear how heavy it is. And he's like panting. I mean, that's part of the cutscene, but still, it's like, like it's great. This is great. I really like that I ran out of rupees. Check this. You see, she's hot. You can't deny it. But Imp Mindo was better. But Link is still wearing that fucking armor with no rupees. I'm so happy. You don't understand. Cheers. I did it. I beat Twilight Princess, 100% completion, minus the Miiverse stamps, because they don't count. They suck ass. That double jack made me feel complete when I ate it. Partially because I was a little hungry. Like, there's a part of me that just feels more, even though I've beaten this game a couple times before, I feel a sense of accomplishment that feels like that maybe there is some meaning in life. And one shit goes in, and shit comes out of the other, and then you're dead. You die. Credits. You're gonna die. Everyone's gonna die. First of all, what if this isn't even the real timeline? Because Nintendo's like, let's give Zelda more than one timeline because we're assholes. I'm just gonna have to keep playing these video games to find it, and just to find something. Human beings, you're looking at all of these words right now that give titles and names of people, and I mean, what does it all mean? Who cares? Everything's really depressing. I mean, even this was a symbolism for fucking capitalism. I mean, as soon as you have the best armor around, you're wealthy.
Jack Nathan is a fox.
Jack Nathan is
you're wealthy.
Has the golden locks.
Has the
It's
golden
this
locks.
weight
The three golden
multiplied.
bears.
And I think Miyamoto might be
His
doing
stocks with
this. I think that
Jack in the
whoever
Box.
made
Jack
this
in the
game
box?
knew what they were doing.
Jack
Yeah,
Nathan in the
that's
box.
great. I went through 2,000 rupees in just those few minutes. I mean, who cares? What do you think, Marcus? What are you thinking? For once, I'm asking you to talk.
The music is really good. There's a lot of strings.
This music's on the sound selection. Let's just listen to it for a minute. What? Oh, no, I have to scroll. You mean it's not over?
This game is fun. Zelda's fun. This isn't Final Fantasy.
Shut up! Bye. Until Hyrule Warriors, which technically isn't canon, we're just a whole nother universe of its own. Co-opt that shit.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, credits are
Oh,
still
wow.
We know the talks.
Jack Nathan
Christ.
rhymes
That's a
with
lot-
box
that's a lot
and
of
fox.
No, no, it doesn't.
Never even finished either Kingdom Hearts game. Well, I never played the second one, but the first one I played Zelda.
Yes, hi.
I didn't have a PS2.
I like,
Big butts in
What?
Oh, that shit.
I like
Oh my god.
one
Oh,
double Jack.
jeez. I have this rash. The doctor doesn't know what it is. It's not funny. I'm just saying, if anyone, it keeps spreading and it's red. If you know what it is, just put it in the comments section. I won't read it, but at least someone will try to help.
I'm fucking up Rapid Morty in this game.
Good for you, Rick and Morty. I think I gave my roommate CJ athlete's foot. Put some cream on it. I showed it. Oh man, that double jack was so good. All that stuff. I'm technically lactose intolerant, so I can't be eating that stuff. I'll probably die soon. I don't care. Well, that's the end, folks. There's nothing more to talk about. James Earl Jones. That's who voiced Darth Vader.
Credits still going. The less interesting people. Like lead programming. Who gives a shit about lead programmer, really?
You're right. You're so right. I finished my second one. It's not enough.
Dude, you know what you need?
Some pussy. No. You'll lose all of it. Dude, the lottery is how poor people try to get rich. Invest in your education. I don't know, invest in Uber.
Vomit and shit on it or something. It could have been piss. I need another natty daddy.
Alright.